Hey everybody, welcome back. I got my air compressor station finished. I know I said I was going to do the cradle project next, but a couple other projects came up that took priority over that. Had to build new chicken feeders, and then I had a plumbing project that came up. But I got that taken care of. And if you want to see that chicken feeders project, that's going to be on my wife's channel, which is over on Rumble, and it's Our Simple Life 6. Go ahead and go check that out, and you'll get to see kind of all the stuff that goes on with our family, our projects that we do together, and little vacations and whatnot we take. So pretty fun. Go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I'm glad I got this done. Got this cabinet door put on, which makes it look a little nicer. It also knocks the sound down when that air compressor goes off. And got my air tank, the extra tank, mounted on the wall. It wasn't too bad. The only thing I had to do was I had to cut these 2-inch nipples down. I take about 1.5 inches off, because the ones that I started out with, the tank would have been out here pretty close to the door. It just wouldn't have looked nice. But the hinges I used on this, they're kind of fancy. They're just kind of a spring-loaded hinge, so the door will hold itself shut. You don't have to have a little magnetic catcher or something right there, or a latch, and it springs itself open. So they're really nice. The only thing is you need a really big bit to pre-drill, because they do recess into the door itself. But I got this Craig jig here. These things are awesome, because they've got a gauge on the side, so you could set how far in from the edge of the door you want your hinges to land. And then I just used a Craig clamp. I set my gauges, put this on the edge of the door, and centered the bit, and clamped it, hooked my drill up, boom, and the hole is perfect depth for those for this style of hinges. And then it's just, you screw them on. When you attach it to the frame, the hinge to the frame, it's just one screw, and then you've got 2 screws on either side that'll adjust it up and down and in and out, and it just allows you to set your door perfect. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with how it turned out. It's just another step towards getting all the stuff I had over there over onto this side, and it's really starting to clean the shop up. So just yeah, really excited just seeing this project progress. So I just ask that you just subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see the next project that's with this shop upgrade kind of series I'm doing. This is the custom workbench series that I'm doing. I was able to do this video because I had all the stuff in the garage. So once that cradle video is done, my next project is finish these lowers, and then the chop saw station, and then the cabinets. So stay tuned for that. So just thank you so much for following along, and yeah, just have a nice day.